Welcome back, Truth Seekers, to Truth in Plain Sight 777 Gematria. I want to take you back down the rabbit hole with me today and show you guys something that I found that is amazing of how the brain works when it's locked. And we are here to unlock your mind and challenge everything that you've been taught and programmed to believe that you need or have to have in your life, or ways to behave. We're going to talk about the iPhone 12 as it's trending worldwide. A couple people got certain things to say about it. They're making memes about it. But what I see is it's the same exact thing almost as the iPhone 5 with more technology in it. People are asking how much they would pay for it. It's a funny meme that somebody said they would pay their organ. Be careful what you wish for. You ought to have another post where individuals say they would rob for it instead of paying the high price. I'm pretty sure it's almost $1,000. You have another person saying iPhone 11 and 12 is exactly alike. Hey, I still have the 10 and it looks alike. And another guy saying this is me going to the Apple store after selling my organs to buy iPhone 12 Pro Max. And then you have the iPhone 5 and 12 walking down the hallway looking exactly alike with the clown face on, meaning they're clowning the public by just selling you the same exact thing, just one very slightly different modified feature on it. And it's amazing, year after year, everybody break their necks so they do what they have to do to stay up or keep up with the Joneses. You ever wonder where that saying comes from? Dow Jones, stock market, Apple. I mean, it's just a nut. It's a nut job, man. It's a crazy show. Look at this. And like I said, they said people DNAs are starting to change. I wonder why. Maybe they're looking for change like the past president. Truth in Plain Sight 777 Gematria.